So last night we started going through an example with EWASM and an EWASM chain, and we got to the point we were able to pull out all the data from a simple contract. So what I want to do tonight is continue on, see how far we can get. So let's get started. Okay. So we pulled down the chain, and the next step is to attach to the test net. Now we're going to see if this works. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. Well, we don't want that. That's not going to work. We just want this. What? So this is supposed to start the Docker here, and we'll see what happens. Okay. Let me see. I don't think this is going to matter, but it's possible that something changed. No. Connection refused. Okay, so for whatever reason, it will not run the Docker. We pulled the Docker. I'll show you. So I pulled it, and it's supposed to attach to this dev chain. It's 8485. Let's see. Well, let's see if we can at least start the Docker. So let's Docker run IT second state dev chain. And well, so much for that. So what is supposed to happen here? Let's see. I think see if I can figure out this error here. Otherwise, we'll just, I guess, talk about what it's supposed to do. And so the error we're getting is let's see, dev chain EWASM. I'm going to go dev chain EWASM connection refused. See if I could. Here's another one. This is another documentation. And that let's try this. And well, maybe that's the problem. I am gonna we'll go through this example and see if that works. And we'll pull this. We have Docker installed, so we don't need to worry about that. And we'll try. Okay. Now let's see if this run command decides that it's going to work. Why is it not copying? It does not want to copy. Let's copy that and then just add IN. And IN. Let's see what happened. Okay, well, and wrote the, okay, this is a start here. It could have been that we didn't have the right user. And let's copy that. The nice thing is it's one line. Oh, shoot, where's mine? Alright. Let me just make sure you're seeing this here. Yeah, you are. Okay. Let's put the little N here. Make sure I have the right command here as well. Should be node start. No, this is the wrong one. This is not the right command. It would be reinitializing it. So let's go here and try to copy that. Copy it, and let's see. Oh, it didn't quite do what I copy. We'll hit that. Let's see if we get the right command. Docker. It's still not copying the way it should. Alright, I'm gonna play the little trick that I played with this one. No. See if I can get it to go. Okay. Well, this is looking more promising. Yeah, now it's working. And you can see, and let's go back to this window here. I'm gonna get out of this. And you can see it showing the dev chain right there. Let's see. Now we're going to log in. So let's do this. My dock is a little rusty here. And what did it do? Oh, that's why it's not OB. What's the name? it's, oh yeah, it's a different number, that's the problem. So let's have to type, it's easier to type. -T, and we'll do this number, which is 08D, copy, paste, and make it bash shell, and it's in. So now let's do ls, and you can see it's running. So now let's try this attach, which is what we were failing with before. Okay, you see now we got this different prompt, and you can see what's going on. Let's see if we could see what happens if we, I don't know if it's going to work. But what the heck, we can give it a shot. Okay, so getting back to it, I had a little interruption there. So we're going to try and see what happens. I'm going to try to put in, see where it says var contract address. Oh wait, first there's more. I can't just do that. I need to do some other stuff like this. So this is, we'll copy that and unlock the account. So we're now in, oops, that didn't work. Copy and paste, and it looks like it unlocked the account. So now the next step is, now we can deploy the bytecode and see if it works. Var bytecode equals, and we got this big huge bytecode here, and select all, copy, and we're going to go here and paste and see what happens. Oh, didn't like that. Okay, var bytecode equals, and oh, I know, equals, and see if I paste it and I close it and do that. Let me just double check something that I got everything. Yeah, hopefully this will work. Why is it not? Let's type it out. See if it, yeah, it's got, okay. So undefined might be okay. And now we're going to see, so that var is now, and we got a from account, and we got an ABI. So let's let's do that. Whoop. Ooh. I put that in and I got something out. Let's see. Is that what should have come out? No. So let's copy that. Try it again, see what happens. Oh, it just did a whole bunch of stuff. Okay. Let's try this again. Now let's do it one step at a time. And we're gonna, so now it has a definition of the contract in there. And if we type contract, you can see it's got everything defined. The address. Initialize the address. Okay, so we're initializing stuff. And we're initializing this, the transaction hash. So we have, basically what we're doing is defining variables to save. And we're gonna now set up our params, some parameters here. And now we have everything that we have to push into the contract. So let's see if this works, which would be really cool if it does. And there we go. Deploy failed. That's interesting because it returned a transaction hash. Let's see. And why did the deployment fail? That's something we may have to investigate. Did I miss something? Let's try it again. Because it did not come, and it's unclear to me why it failed. But the fact that it didn't come back with an address, so for some reason it decided it was not going to work. You know what? I'm gonna try increase. Let's look at our TX hash. Oh, because we already have bytecode defined. Let me just see something. I wonder if it could be a number of things. It could be that the account doesn't have enough see, don't see it. I want to see what personal dot list accounts is it 0. From account. Let's see if we can get some kind of balance. No, it's, let's see if we can try that. No. So, I am not sure why it failed. It did not. It just said deploy failed. So let's see. I wonder if we increase the gas, if that might work. We're going to give it one last shot, and then I'm going to have to do a little bit of research on it, but let's see. Params. What? Let's try params. Where's params? Okay, now let's see if I can go back to the deploy. Let's try this deployment again, see if that might work a little bit better if we have more gas. Now, let's see something. I think we have unless we connected. Let's see. Yeah, could be not connected to this, and that is probably so it starts running. Thing is, it could be that it's not attached, but this is set unlock, and yeah, I'm gonna have to look at this, but we got pretty far. We really did. So I think what's going on is the two I got two different docket things running, and we attached, and then I wonder if you can still like do it here. Okay. That's the problem. Is we can do it here, and a little bit of a pain, but let's try it. I gotta try this. I cannot select all, copy, and that's why I couldn't deploy, because it has to be in this window. So let's look. Maybe it has to, you know what? I bet it has to, because if you look at it here, it looks like it's syncing up. And that's why we can't do it. My guess is once it syncs up, we'll be able to rerun this. So we're going to stop for now and see what, I'm just going to let this thing run and see what happens. And I will speak to you tomorrow. If you're finding this interesting and useful, please give a like, please share, please ring the bell to get further, your further videos, and share it with your friends, and I will speak to you next time.